Hey guys, my name is Matt Nolan with Bear Photo, and today I'm going to show you my newest preset called Rojo. So this is a before photo, and this is with the preset applied. So as you can tell, it really accentuates the reds in the image and kind of mutes all the other colors. It looks great if you have a lot of red in your image, but also works great without, which I'll show you a little bit later. So let me show you a quick before and after on a few photos, and then I'll show you how it's made and then how to download it. So let's go to the next photo. This is an awesome photo. Untouched, and here is with the filter applied. Again, kind of makes all the little bit parts of red pop, and then it desaturates the blues. So let's add it to this photo, which is one of my favorite photos. We add this is a before and an after. Let's add it to one more photo. So again, awesome photo, great model, a little bit of red and blue in the image. So this is before and this is the after. Now I also created another preset called Roja, which is a little bit more stylized version of this. So if we want to see that, this is a before and then after with Roja. So we add a little bit of color to the shadows and to the highlights, which still looks awesome. So let's go over to an Instagram grid. So usually when you have a preset like this, it helps to have kind of a theme for your Instagram page or a collection of images to add it to. So here is just some before photos. And then here is the after with the Rojo applied. I probably shouldn't have named it something in Spanish since I don't speak Spanish. And then here's the before and the after with Roja applied. So super awesome, really ties in all the photos together and kind of draws your eyes down to all the different reds in the image. Let's go to a photo that is unlike all these photos. I feel like the mark of a good preset is something that can work on multiple photos and not destroy skin tones. So I'm going to show you some before and afters of that. So again, not a lot of colors. It does have red in it. So if we add the Rojo filter, you can see it really brings out the red in the scarf. And it doesn't destroy her skin tones. It doesn't oversaturate her lips or any parts of her face. It still looks really good. Let's go and add the Roja filter. So again, a little bit more stylized. I probably wouldn't use it on this photo since there's so much white. Let's go to a photo without any red in it. So this preset, I try to make it where it can work on any type of image, even photos that don't have red in it, even though it's made for photos with red in it. So here's a before, and then here is the after. So again, you can kind of see it's adding a little bit of green to the shadows, and look at her skin tones. Like, they still look phenomenal. So let's do a before and after. So here's before, and here's the after. And I feel like, again, this is the mark of a good preset, something that doesn't destroy skin tones. And so let's reset this. And I'm going to add the Roja filter. So again, a little bit more stylized, but still super nice. Now let's add it to an image that doesn't have any people in it. Well, it has someone in it, but doesn't have any skin tones in it. So this is a more urban type setting. So here's the before, and then here is the after, and here is the after with Roja applied. So this looks great. I would definitely use this and be super proud of this image. Now let's kind of break it down. So let's go to a photo we haven't seen yet. So here's the before, and let's add the Rojo. So as you can see, all the basic adjustments over here are still zeroed out. So I made all the basic adjustments with a little graduated filter on the right side. And the reason I did that is I want you to be able to, let me reset this. I want you to be able to edit your photo how you like it. So maybe I want to do something like this, and then add this on top of your basic adjustments. So if I add this on top, it's just changing the colors, and it doesn't change any of these adjustments over here. So let's reset this again and apply a preset. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see the tone curves. This is kind of where I do all the heavy lifting for the preset. So I have a little bit of an S curve going on in the RGB channel. And then same with the red, green, and blue channel. They all have a little bit different S curves. And so if I turn this on and off, you can kind of see like, oh yeah, this is what's giving us all those colors and all that great contrast, and what's really affecting those skin tones and making them really nice. So if I scroll down to the HSL, I'm kind of just desaturating everything, kind of bringing everything back to normal. This is what's making all the other colors kind of muted and desaturated. The only color that I'm not doing that with is yellow. And again, that's just kind of to protect skin tones. And it just, I don't know, it makes it look better if there's yellow in the skin tone. So I have to kind of bump those up and keep those crisp. So if we go down a little bit more to split toning, this is where I'm adding a little bit of yellow to the highlights. This is where I add some green to the shadows. And this is kind of just gives it a more film look, which I kind of add this to a lot of presets that I make. And then the details, the lens correction, the transform, the effects, calibration, these are all zeroed out. I don't affect any of these just because I want you to add your own vignetting and your own sharpening, and whether you want to do the profile correction or not on your lens. So yeah, that'll do it. This preset is completely free, 100%. If you go over to patreon.com/bearphoto, there's a download link for this preset under the video. So go check it out. This Roja preset is for my patrons. I just want to say thank you guys. I didn't think I was gonna get any patrons being such a small channel, but I've already got a couple. So yeah, thank you guys. And I have more presets coming out, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.